What if I told you that you could create professional, scroll-stopping UGC videos without a camera, without a crew, and without spending hundreds of dollars, all from one single platform? That platform is MediaPet. And today I'm going to show you exactly how Pro Studio works. Let's start with the simplest mode, text to video. You literally just open Pro Studio, type what you want to see, hit generate, and that's it. No settings, no complexity. Just describe your vision, like a woman walking through a sunflower field, and MediaPet builds it for you in seconds. It's that simple. But here's where it gets really powerful. What if you want more control over the output? That's where first frame comes in. You upload one image, your first frame, add your text prompt on top, and now MediaPet knows exactly where to start your video. The result? Way more consistent, way more on-brand. And if you want to control both the beginning and the end of your video, you can do that too. Upload a first frame and a last frame, write your prompt, and MediaPet will fill in everything in between. This is perfect for product reveals, transformations, or any video where the start and end matter. Now I know what you're thinking. Where do I even get these reference images? Easy. Just switch over to Image Generation inside MediaPet. Describe what you want, add any references you have, and generate your image right there. No need to leave the platform, no need for another tool. Everything is in one place. Now let's talk about references, because this is where Pro Studio really separates itself. In a single generation, you can upload up to 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio files, all as references at the same time. Think about what that means. You can feed it your brand visuals, your product shots, your previous content, and MediaPet will use all of it to generate something that actually fits your brand. And for the voice, you've got options. Choose from a library of built-in AI voices. Pick the tone and style that matches your brand, or if you already have a voiceover recorded, just drop in your own audio file directly. Full control. So whether you're a brand owner, a marketer, or a content creator, Pro Studio gives you everything you need to produce high-quality UGC content fast, consistently, and at a fraction of the cost. Subscribe now at MediaPet.ai and start creating professional UGC videos in minutes.